you're more likely to help people that you care about, that you get along with. So by having this charisma of developing rapport, you're more likely to get more stuff done. Trust me. I saw this all across Meta. I saw this all across Google. I saw this all across Airbnb. The people who won this so-called charisma, or more so had more people like them, they're able to establish and execute on projects, right? One of the best combinations is someone who's extremely charismatic, extremely trustworthy, and can get stuff done. That person will go extremely far in life, whether it be their career, their life, their goals, whatever it may be, right? So make sure you establish rapport. And by establishing rapport, you're honestly helping out and developing more charisma. You're becoming more and more charismatic, right? So we establish, say hi to someone, shake their hand, look them in the eye. Next, have them talk about themselves. Because the more they talk about themselves, the more they like you, the more you're able to learn about them, and you become a sponge to their knowledge. When you're talking to someone, this is the third thing. Make sure you look them in the eyes, not some creepy way like staring at them, but look them in the eyes, kind of like smile, like a nice gaze, and then nod your head. Nod your head, smile, say yes, and from time to time, you need to repeat what they're saying, because this shows that you're paying attention, right? And the more that you're paying attention to whatever they're saying, the more they will like you. So many times at Google, I work with some of the smartest people in the world, most talented engineering minds, most talented business minds, most talented product minds, most talented recruiting minds. And a lot of them were so highly technical and analytical that they struggle with the charisma part. And I always thought to myself, imagine if someone was extremely technical and charismatic, analytical and charismatic. That person will become the CEO. That person will achieve whatever they want to achieve in this life because they've honestly tackled two extremely hard skills. If you can get your sliders, or what we call it, like your skills, to 80% analytical, technical, 80% charismatic, you will be one of the most dangerous and hardworking, best entrepreneurs, employees, whatever you want to become, right? So whenever you're interacting and talking to someone, look them in the eyes, smile, nod your head up and down and say, all right, that's awesome. That's great. I love that. I love how you're trying to push the product to this new kind of approval process. I love how you go to concerts on the weekend to watch your favorite artist. I love that new song that you just mentioned, right? You kind of just have to look them in the eyes, smile, nod your head. This shows that you're paying attention. This shows that you care. And by doing this, you're more likely to push the conversation forward and to have them like you more, establish rapport, and show charisma. Okay. Another thing too is a lot of times when you're in conversation with people, you're either sitting down or you're standing up. You need to show charismatic body language. What does that mean? Charismatic body language means standing up straight in a power position, smiling. You gotta put your hands to your side, stand up straight. It conveys confidence. It conveys positive body language. Open yourself up as well. You don't want your arms crossed. This is a very defensive position whenever you're talking to someone, right? When you have your arms crossed, it shows that you're afraid someone might hurt you. You're not open. You're